And the last one over there. Next, we're going to put the other panel up, assemble the panel on to join together. And now put in all the screws like before and join together. Next, tighten all the screws for all 5 panels. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one 5. Now next you flip the unit over, but now the unit should look like this. Now remember the panel before, the screw for the top bit here is actually 55 millimeters long, so make sure you get the long one and measure for 55 millimeters. Okay, now we're going to show you how to assemble the wheel. First, wheel like that, with that screw and the cap, this cap here. Okay, next we're going to put in the wheel now. Now remember, we're using 30 millimeters long deep screw this time for the wheel. The screw, the cap, this one here, together. Okay? Now put it in, put the screw through there, and put it like that, and the cap on top, and now tightly screw in from the back. And do that for the all 4 wheels. Okay, next we show you how to put in the steering wheel. Now the parts for steering wheel are the wheel, the cap, there. The screw is actually 70 millimeters long this time. The washer, and a small screw for tightening up in there, that hole there. And the washer is putting behind the screw. Okay? And the button, putting right through. Now I'll show you how to put together. First, put that one in like that. Next, put the screw on. Now we tighten up with the tiny screw before in there. Okay, now we screw in there, secure the plate like that. Okay, next we assemble the whole steering wheel in the hole in the middle, as so. First, the washer inside the screw, go like that, and the cap on top, and tighten up the screw. Now the steering wheel is done. Okay, next we install the window. One there, on each side, there, and over there, so, and secure with the nuts inside like that. And at the same time install also the front windscreen, as so. Okay, next we're going to install the upper deck, which is this piece here, the piece in box A, piece number 14 and 15 for left and right. Before you put in this panel, make sure you actually put in all those wooden sticks in, and again halfway like this, so, and 2 sides, and also this side as well. Now when you install the upper deck, make sure the length on the front here is longer than the length from the back. That's how you recognize which is front or back. Next, screw in and tighten the screw So there, one there, and one there. Next we put in the slate in, as so, one piece on each side, and make sure you put it stuck in on the edge there before you level up on this side. Now the first stage is done. It's important that you put in the slate first before you put in the rest of the panel, otherwise you can't slide in the slate later.